Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Then you are going to get all my notifications. Then here I started the Facebook as well as the Telegram group, and both the two links I kept in the description box of this video. So the interested candidates may join in that group, guys, to get the immediate job notifications. And in this video, we are going to see the assistant professor vacancies notification from one of the government university. And here the UGC or PhD is not mandatory here, and the selection will be purely based upon the interview. So let us see the details regarding this notification. Going into the main content of this video, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, an academy educator for the electronic science as well as the paper 1. So here the complete course for the UGC electronic science as well as the paper 1 MCQ series is going to start. That means electronic science already started and the MCQ series is going to start. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan. The link I kept in the description box of this video and the details I kept at the end of this video. Into the present content of the video, so it is Jharkhand University of Technology. So from this one here, the recruitment notification got, actually it was published on 23rd Feb 2021. And here the teaching as well as non-teaching positions are there. So you may check down here, the total 17 pages are there. So just I will tell you the important points and I will provide this PDF link at the end of the description box, so you may check down for the accurate and the more details, guys. And coming to the non-teaching post, registrar, finance officer, director curriculum development and section officer, the number of posts are also mentioned here, and all these posts are purely deputation or the contractual basis, guys. And coming to the departments, I mean in the teaching position, so civil and computer science and electronics and communication and electrical and electronics engineering and mechanical engineering. Okay, so from these departments, associate as well as assistant professor vacancies are there. So here you may check down the specialization, whatever the specialization required, so that one also mentioned here. Okay, and while coming to the pay scale for teaching as well as a non-teaching employee shall be as per the UGC norms, and the minimum qualification and experience as per the UGC or the ACT regulations. Okay, that I will show you the minimum qualification. And the interested candidates, the demand draft of 500 rupees, okay, should be in favor of the Jharkhand University of Technology. Okay, that is mentioned here. You may check down. And the last date to apply this one is 15th March 2021. So the completely filled up application forms along with the DD and one self-addressed stamped envelope should reach to the mentioned address here by speed post or the registered post. And few general conditions for teaching and non-teaching positions are given here, so you may check down. And the qualifications are also given here. So please go through the mentioned qualification here. And coming to the assistant professor in the teaching positions, so BTech or BE and ME or MTech in the relevant branch with first class or equivalent. Okay, so there is no, net qualification of the PhD is not mandatory here. So the PhD is kept under the desirable. Okay, and he or she concentrate on teaching and research. Okay, so all these points are the desirable qualifications. But if you're having this qualification, it is a minimum. So you may apply to these positions, guys. So please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. And for more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwani Kumar, an academy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is the India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video, I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to. So here the Unacademy Accelerate program is there on the March 7th, that is Sunday, 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. So you can win the 100% scholarship for NTA UGC NET subscription plans. Okay, so here the paper 1 total 50 questions will be there, and if you got the first rank and the second rank, then the 100% scholarship on subscription, and 3 to 10 75%, 11 to 35 50%, 36 to 150 25% you will get. So interested candidates may enroll now, and you have to check down the terms and conditions also.